don't think there's one that lives only in the insurance restoration space. Okay. Roofhawk.ai, I would say. I think that's
okay. Tell me about them.
So Roofhawk.ai, basically, it is a hail damage detection software that's ran by AI. So you take your drone, I think you can use just about any drone nowadays, and you take overview photos, you take pictures of the roof, you upload the pictures of the roof to Roofhawk.ai, and it detects whether it's hail or not.
Yeah.
So that is one that would be just insurance restoration, and that's a pretty cool one.